Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, this is something that we work all year long for. Hard, long road. A lot of work went into this. Harley Davidson, obviously a great partner, standing behind us and making it all possible. Vance and Hines, Terry Byron, our crew chief Matt Hines, just making awesome calls all year long on my motorcycle. Obviously, it shows. Staying up front the whole time, and when you get down to this final race, it gets a little gut wrenching to you. You hope you go there and do well, and sort of everything lays on the line. That's it. It's either do or die, and fortunate for me, the whole thing fell my direction. It worked out well.
That's accomplishment. You set goals, and to be honest, early in my career, my goal never was to be a champion. My goal was just to drive a funny car and then possibly qualify for a race, and winning early was bonus. But then as you go on, it becomes your profession. Everybody wants to be full throttle champion, and the feeling's incredible.
It's huge for my guys, for my wife to be here, for everybody to be around us. I just can't believe it. It's been great for Die Hard, for everybody. It's incredible. I just can't believe it, and I'm so glad it happened. These guys have been working so hard. It's truly amazing.
How long is it going to take you to wipe that smile off your face?
Woo!
I take that's going to be a while, huh?
Yeah, that's it.